Connects an aftermarket stereo to the factory amplified system. Not compatible with non-amplified factory systems. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory-quality wire and connectors. Standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. For 40 years, Scosche has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a Scosche installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. We are so confident in our product quality that we back all Scosche 12 volts installation accessories with a limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great. Was quoted $165 for a harness for my '06 Saturn. Was able to use this to quickly connect a Kenwood radio. Works great, and now I don't have to listen to the radio anymore.